Imagine facing a woolly mammoth twice your size, armed only with stone spears. Ancient hunters did this regularly. Today, we reveal their incredible hunting strategies. These weren't lucky accidents. Ancient humans were tactical, intelligent, and deadly efficient. Their mammoth hunts were carefully planned military operations. 30,000 years ago, Ice Age Earth was home to megafauna. Woolly mammoths, giant ground sloths, cave bears, and saber-toothed cats roamed everywhere. Woolly mammoths weighed 6 tons, stood 11 feet tall, and had tusks reaching 14 feet long. They were nature's tanks. Early humans, starting around 40,000 years ago, began hunting these giants systematically. Archaeological evidence shows organized, repeated mammoth kill sites. A single mammoth provided enough meat to feed 50 people for months. One kill meant survival for entire communities through harsh winters. Hunting technology evolved from simple wooden spears to sophisticated stone-tipped spear throwers called atlatls. These multiplied throwing power threefold. Humans developed specialized roles: scouts, trackers, drivers, and killers. Hunting mammoths required coordination, communication, and incredible courage. Step 1: Tracking. Hunters followed mammoth herds for days, sometimes weeks, reading tracks, dung, and feeding patterns to predict movement. Step 2: Isolation. Hunters didn't attack herds. They separated vulnerable targets, young, old, wounded, or isolated mammoths from protective groups. Step 3: Herding. Coordinated hunters used fire, noise, and strategic positioning to guide trapped mammoths into natural kill zones like canyon walls. Step 4: The trap. Some mammoths fell into pit traps dug deep in migration routes. Archaeological sites show these systematic trap networks. The kill. Dozens of hunters attacked simultaneously with spears and atlatls. They targeted vital areas, the heart, lungs, and major blood vessels. A mammoth didn't die quickly. Hunts lasted hours. Hunters endured crushing tusks, trampling feet, and desperate counterattacks. Injuries were common. Victory required teamwork perfection. One mistake meant death. These hunts tested human courage, intelligence, and social bonds to absolute limits. After the kill came processing. Entire communities worked systematically, butchering meat, scraping hides, cracking bones for marrow, crafting tools from tusks. Nothing was wasted. Meat was eaten fresh or preserved. Hides became clothing and shelter. Bones became tools, weapons, and building materials. Archaeological evidence shows mammoths weren't hunted randomly. Specific herds were tracked. Hunting camps were strategically placed near migration routes for centuries. At Predmosty in Czech Republic, scientists found evidence of mammoth hunts spanning 5,000 years. Same location, same mammoth herds, generation after generation. Some hunts were massive. At Westermark in Germany, a single site shows remains of 30 mammoths killed in coordinated hunts over centuries. Not just mammoths. Humans hunted woolly rhinos, giant ground sloths, cave bears, and even young mastodons using similar coordinated tactics. Giant ground sloths stood 20 feet tall. Ancient hunters didn't just survive, they thrived by taking down nature's most dangerous predators and prey. Here's the shocking part: humans may have actually changed mammoth behavior. Over millennia, mammoths became warier, more aggressive, and less predictable. Some scientists argue human hunting pressure, combined with climate change, contributed to mammoth extinction roughly 4,000 years ago. It wasn't just climate. The hunting intelligence was remarkable. Hunters understood animal psychology, herd behavior, panic responses, seasonal migrations, and individual personalities. Women likely participated equally in hunts. Recent anthropological analysis suggests females were capable hunters and tactical planners, not passive camp members. Spiritual and artistic elements mattered too. Cave paintings show hunting scenes, suggesting rituals, celebration, and storytelling around successful kills. Mammoth hunting created human culture itself. Sharing massive kills required trust, cooperation, and language. It built the social bonds enabling civilization. Ancient humans weren't primitive. They were tactical geniuses who conquered Ice Age giants through intelligence, courage, cooperation, and sophisticated technology. We are their descendants. If you enjoyed learning how ancient humans hunted mammoths, please like and subscribe for more amazing prehistoric history videos. Bonus fact: mammoth tusks sometimes reached weights of 180 pounds each. Hunters used these tusks to build shelter frames, creating homes from the kill itself. Ancient hunters developed specialized vocabularies about mammoths. They likely had names for different herds, individual animals, and hunting seasons. Hunting accidents were fatal. Bone breaks found on prehistoric skeletons show injuries consistent with mammoth trampling and tusk wounds. These were genuine dangers. Climate change played a role. Mammoths thrived in grasslands, but warming temperatures turned tundra into forests. Less food meant fewer mammoths to hunt. The last mammoths survived on remote Arctic islands until 1650 BCE, long after continental populations vanished. Humans had shaped the entire landscape. Modern genetics reveals that some mammoth DNA entered modern elephant populations through ancient hybridization. Hunters witnessed evolution unfolding across generations. Remarkably, some mammoth remains show evidence of medical care. Injured mammoths survived for months or years after injuries, suggesting empathy or spiritual beliefs. Ancient hunting camps were recycled for thousands of years. Hunters returned seasonally to the same locations, following same routes as their ancestors. The mammoth hunters were the apex predators. They didn't just survive Ice Age Earth, they dominated it through intelligence, cooperation, and strategic brilliance. Their legacy continues in us, toolmakers, planners, hunters, and team players. Ancient mammoth hunters built the foundation for everything humanity achieved.